Hey guys, Skyforce95. So this is a review of a Blackhead charcoal mask by Engive. It's clearly a foreign country maker. I don't want to point to which foreign country maker, but there are definitely some typos on this box, but that's not to say this is a bad product. Actually, I do quite like it, so let's just go ahead and get right into my review. So it says that it is a weight of 60 grams. It's funny it doesn't give it in terms of fluid ounces or even milliliters, but I would say it's approximately 2.5 fluid ounces in size, so it's a decent amount for the price, which is around $13, and it just applies on as you would think for a regular mask. Obviously, you first want to go ahead and clean your skin, make sure the pores are open, and then you go ahead and apply the mask. The trick here is to apply just enough so that you have a good enough grip when you have to peel it off your face. So my approximate for how much I should put on is basically, if I can still feel the roughness of my skin, I need to put on another layer. You just put on maybe 2 or 3 layers until you can just feel the silkiness of the mask itself. So you're really meant to put the product on the high oily areas of your face, not necessarily all of it. So for me, that is between my eyebrows down to my nose and also beneath my lips. So after applying the adequate amount of product on those areas, I go ahead and just let it air dry. It dries relatively quickly, I would say under 5 minutes, depending of course on how much you actually use. But if you don't use too much, like I say, you don't need to have an excessive amount, just enough so you can peel it off in a nice swift layer. Then you just need to wait a little bit, and then you can also tap it every now and then to see if it's dry. It's very obvious when it is completely dry and ready to peel off. You don't want to wait too long, otherwise it can adhere to your skin too much and cause irritation and redness when you try to peel it off. So to minimize any kind of pain, I would definitely recommend that once it's dry, go ahead and try to pick at the edges and then just carefully make your way and peel it off your face. Depending on how evenly the coverage was done, you may get it all in one piece, or you may get several pieces, or you may have quite a few bits still left on your face, and that's totally okay. I would say try to get as much of the big pieces off first before you actually wash your face. But once everything is removed, I definitely do feel like my skin has been completely exfoliated. It's nice to feel the softer skin underneath. And just for reference, here is the leftover bits right here. There are a few little white dots to indicate there might be some blackheads on there, so it's good, it does its job. So this type of exfoliating mask is for deep cleansing, so you don't want to do this too often. It will irritate your skin too much. And obviously, if you have sensitive skin, you probably don't want to, use this over your whole face the first time. I would definitely spot test it to see if it does bring about any kind of irritation. So I think this definitely does work well in just revitalizing your skin after it's been pretty oily for a while, maybe once a week, depending on the level of oiliness of your skin. One thing I do appreciate about this mask is the pleasant fragrance that it has, so I don't feel like I'm sniffing charcoal or anything like that, which is definitely a plus. For me, I don't really invest in a lot of these facial products, so personally I think $13 is pretty expensive for this size and the amount of product that you get. But after comparing to other similar products at the same size, I think this is a decent value. You can go ahead and shop around yourself, but for me, I think it's decently enough that I can recommend it to you guys to give it a shot. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.